Imagine a magical mixture spray that is a great all-rounder. The magical mixture spray effectively repels a wide range of pests, keeping your garden healthy. It's an eco-friendly alternative, reducing the need for harmful chemical insecticides. This spray is easy to make at home with common ingredients. Its natural components are safe for plants, pets, and humans. Additionally, it enhances plant growth by deterring pests without damaging beneficial insects. To make this magical mixture spray, start by gathering 15 to 20 garlic cloves and 25 to 30 chili peppers. Chop the chilies into small pieces. Chili peppers contain capsaicin, a natural compound that deters many pests. Capsaicin creates a spicy environment that pests like aphids, whiteflies, and thrips find unpleasant. Now chop the garlic. Garlic is another powerful ingredient. It contains sulfur compounds, which are effective at repelling insects. The strong smell and taste of garlic make it unappealing to many pests, including snails and slugs. These sulfur compounds also have antifungal properties, which can help prevent fungal infections on your plants. Next, take 2 liters of warm water and add the chopped garlic and chilies. Then add 2 tablespoons of dishwashing liquid to the water. Mix everything together thoroughly and let the mixture sit for at least 2 hours. The longer you let it sit, the more potent the mixture will become. After the mixture has had time to sit, strain it to remove the solid pieces. Pour the strained liquid into a spray bottle, and your magical mixture spray is ready to use. This spray can be stored for up to 2 weeks, so you can make a batch and use it over time. When you're ready to use it, spray it all over your tomato, cucumber, and pepper plants. The dishwashing liquid plays a crucial role in the spray. It acts as a surfactant, helping the mixture stick to the leaves of the plants better. This ensures that the active compounds from the chili and garlic remain on the plant surfaces longer, increasing their effectiveness. The soap also helps to break down the protective outer layer of soft-bodied insects like aphids, causing them to dehydrate and die. By using this magical mixture spray, you can protect your plants from a wide variety of pests in a natural and eco-friendly way. This method avoids the use of harmful chemicals, making it safer for you, your family, and the environment. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips.